History, Chapter 20, A Living Source of Inspiration. Points to be discussed. First one, an inspiring life. Second one, devotion to father and mother. Third one, respect for the saints and holy men. Fourth one, patriotism. Fifth one, Hindavi Swaraj. Sixth one, remember him. Let us discuss one point at a time. First one, and inspiring life. Explanation. Students, as you know, Shivaji got a very small part of his father's property. From there, he built a kingdom. He established Swaraj based on justice. He was an inspiration to many other rulers, people, etc. That is why even you are learning about him in Standard 4th. Yes or no? Shivaji's life is an never-ending source of inspiration. Even you can learn many moral values of his life. So students, I hope this point is clear to you. Let us see the next point. Devotion to father and mother. Explanation. Shivaji respected his parents. Shivaji always took advice of his mother while she was alive. He had always fulfilled her wish. He respected his father as well. Once Shahaji Raje came to meet Shivaji. Shivaji gave a palki ride and he took his father's shoes by walking alongside the palki. He fulfilled the dream of his parents by establishing what? Yes, Hindavi Swaraj. So students, I hope this point is clear to you. Let us see the next point. Respect for saint and holy men. Explanation is here. Bhavani was Shivaji's family goddess. He was devoted to her. He honored temples and mosques. He protected temples, mosque, church as well. He respected Bhagavad Gita and Quran. He also honored learned men like Paramanand, Gaga Bhatt, Dhundiraj, Bhushan. He also respected saints of Maharashtra like Saint Tukaram, or you can say Santa Tukaram, Santa Samartha Ramdas, Baba Yakut, Mauni Baba, etc. There were few mentioned here. Throughout his life, he has lived by faith, by religious belief. He has lived his life. So students, I hope this point is clear to you. Let us see the next point, patriotism. Explanation. Shivaji was the son of Jagirdar. Meaning of Jagirdar, feudal landlord. Therefore, Shivaji was a rich man. But from childhood, he hated slavery. Meaning of slavery, individuals are owned by others who control the life of them and who control their work as well. So when he grew up, he fought against powerful enemies and made his country free. He established Hindavi Swaraj. He established Hindavi Swaraj for the welfare of his subjects, for his people, and not for his personal gains. He had a great honor and respect for Marathi language. It was his mother tongue and he is a Hindu. He is from Hindu religion. Without taking any rest, he worked hard for the welfare of his country. And he succeeded as well. Yes or no? He never rested in his life. In his 35 years of life, he never rested. He worked hard for his kingdom. He had a book, Rajya Vyavhar Kosh, prepared so that the present as well as the future Maharashtra government paperwork could be carried out in Marathi language. So students, I hope this point is clear to you. Let us see the next point, Hindavi Swaraj. Hindavi Swaraj, explanation is here. Hindavi Swaraj was his dream project, you can say. If we are talking in today's language, we can say it was his dream project. Yes, Hindavi Swaraj was his dream. People living in Hindustan, that is in India, no matter of any caste or community or religion, they were Hindavi. Yes, Hindavi means self-government. Shivaji's enemies were very powerful, but he did not lose courage. He never gave up his self-respect, self-esteem. He never bowed in front of the enemies. So students, I hope This point is clear to you. Let us see the last point of this chapter. In this paragraph about Shivaji is mentioned. There are so many adjectives given here. If you read it, you will come to know that words truly cannot describe this big legend, this great legend. What he has done for Maharashtra is truly incredible, remarkable. Now let us read those words along with their meanings. First one, he was a model son. Model means example to follow. If you are inspired by Shivaji Maharaj, try to be like him. I'm not saying you have to establish another Swaraj. No. At least try to be like him. You can love and respect your parents. Yes or no? You can love your country. You can be patriotic. Yes or no? So he was a model son. Model means example you can follow. Learn from him. Yes or no? Next one, cautious leader. Meaning of cautious, to be careful to avoid any problems or danger. Third one, a skilled organizer. Meaning of skilled, having knowledge of any work, any task. So he was a skilled organizer. Next one, a benevolent administrator. Meaning of benevolent, very kind. If any person has done anything wrong unintentionally, by mistake, Shivaji always forgive him. So this is known as benevolent administrator. Next one, a clever military strategist. Meaning of strategist, skilled person in planning, action and policy. Whatever task is given, he knows what to do at the right time, how to do to make it successful. This is known as strategist. Means skilled person in planning, action and policy. Next one, a terror to the wicked, a defender to the good. The person who is very bad, Shivaji also becomes bad. A person who is good, Shivaji is very kind and good and generous to them. Yes. And an epoch maker. Epoch maker means causing an important change in the history. Yes. If you open Maharashtra history, the very first name on the top shows is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Yes, he is the legend and he is very popular in Maharashtra and he has done so many things for Maharashtra. When you count the list of legends, when you read the list of legends, Shivaji Maharaj will be on the topmost. So he is an epoch maker. Meaning of epoch maker, causing an important change in history. Next one, students, you may have read all the informations together now. Now, what are the adjectives mentioned here? Without meaning, I will be reading it. First one, he is a model son. He is a cautious leader. He is a skilled organizer. He is a benevolent administrator. He is a clever military strategist according to the intelligence department. Intelligence department gave all the updates about the enemies. So he always used to do a surprise attack on them. Yes or no? In this way he has bored many enemies in front of Maratha power. Yes or no? Many enemies had bored in front of Maratha power by surprise attacks. Yes or no? Next one, a terror to the wicked, a defender to the good and an epoch maker. So many words. You will be truly inspired by this legend. You will be interested to know more about him. So we are concluding this chapter of this academic year of this history textbook. Yes, this was the last chapter of this academic year's history subject textbook. Let us say together, Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you.